Well, alright, what's up, everyone? What I'm showing here today is this 44-inch Hunter Perlman ceiling fan that I got from my local Lowe's store. And it's an outdoor ceiling fan, so in matte black finish. And I'm gonna say this: you think you could put a light kit on this thing, but it's not for a light kit. So, yeah. But anyway, I finally got it all put together, and it looks pretty cool. So let's go ahead and start it with a demo. Starting on its low speed. It goes pretty slow, probably with the 6 blades. Well, it doesn't go super slow, but alright, so there's your low. Excuse me. Alright. This is medium. Or medium speed, sorry. That was low when you saw how it was going kind of slow. But now it's picking up a breeze and it's wobbling. I don't have it on the right mounting where I want it to stay on, but oh well. It's putting a decent amount of breeze for medium. Not super fast, but oh well. Now this is high speed. And it's pushing a decent amount of air. So, show you the air mover. I don't know how well you can see the blade pitch, but I actually like it on high speed. It's blowing some stuff around here, so not bad. And I have turned it off. Let it coast. Not sure how long of a spin down this thing has. But I show it to you with 6 blades. I plan on taking the other three blades off and put it as 3 blades, like you normally see on a Hunter Colby or Cassius, whatever you call those 52-inch ones that Menard sells. I could. I have a canopy that would go on, that would go like onto those Hunter Colby, but I like this canopy the way it is. Well, I was gonna make it like the Hunter Colby with the canopy they use, but meh, this is alright. Very neat, modern type outdoor fan and indoor. I think it's more of an outdoor though. That's okay, it fits well in this garage. It's got quite of a long spin down for what it is. I'm probably gonna put a stop to it because it's getting close to that spin down. But so there you have it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.